Hello everybody, welcome! Thanks for joining us. Today we will be talking about the sounds and manners of articulation of the International Phonetic Alphabet. We are a group of 3 people. Our names are Daniela Velasco, Elizabeth Porro, and me, Enerit Ortiz. Now, let's talk a little bit about the speech sounds which are produced in the vocal tract. All of our articulators and our vocal tracts must work in concert to produce just one speech sound. The articulatory phonetics, the manner of articulation, is the configuration and interaction of the articulators. Speech organs such as tongue, lips, and palate. When making a speech sound, one parameter of manner is structure, that is how closely the speech organs approach one another. So I can briefly tell you that the manner of articulation is the way the air stream is affected as it flows from the lungs to the mouth and nose. Now, I'm going to show you a picture where the main articulators are. Here we have the alveolar ridge, which are the upper gums. Here we have the teeth. Over here we have the upper lips, lower lips, palate, soft palate velum, tongue. Over here we have the pharyngeal wall, and here the vocal cords or glottis. And finally, I am going to talk about the place of articulation, which refers to where in the vocal tracts the construction of airflow takes place. For example, alveolar sounds are produced with the tongue at the near ridge, right behind the upper front teeth here. And I have some examples here. This here, here. About the palatal sounds are produced at the hard palate, or also it is called the roof of the mouth. I have some examples here. Shh, shh. Here, zzz, zzz. Here, zzz, zzz. All right, thank you very much. Have a very lovely and very blessed day, everyone. Thank you, everybody, also for your attention. Bye-bye.
Hello, everybody. My name is Elizabeth. I'm going to talk about bilabial and labiodental points of articulation. Bilabial. Bilabial sounds are produced with bone lips such as boo, 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 and moo, moo. Both lips come together. For example, men, men. Labiodental sounds are produced with the upper ditch and the lower lip, such as ditch and the lower lip, as and for example, upper the ditch and lower come together. For example, four, and finally 5. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Daniela Velasco. I am going to present the interdental and glottal points of articulation. Number 1, interdental. The interdental has the symbol to present the sound. The phonic articulation, it is applied to the consonant sound that is articulated with the tip of the tongue between the edges of the incisors. Okay, for example, them, something, something, nothing, nothing. Okay? The next. Glottal. The glottal has the symbol to present the sound. The sound is produced when you try to articulate a consonant, mainly the T. This means closing the vocal cords for a certain moment, and then a next sound is produced. For example, in part, the vocal cords are closed in the T, and then the N is pronounced. Important, 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 important. For example, short, short, smart, smart, right, right. Okay? Thank you for your attention.